So while I was at work today, my husband made our skylight larger. So we got rusted out beams here. They're metal. Dave's going to take them down, wires. Let's see, from here back, we have good metal. So really, just from here to there, we have bad metal. So I'm going to be taking the plywood off of the walls in here, so I just take it down to plain old styrofoam. You can see up there it's styrofoam between the walls and plywood. So I'm going to do that back here. He took off one of the closet doors because they have mirrors. That was probably smart. Look how messy we are. And then yesterday I started this wall and got part of it done. I completed that the other day, but I have some more stuff scraping to do to get some pieces of plywood off so we can sand it and get ready for paint. We moved the seat, the bench, so we can do stuff, and I got to take these apart and take the table down. So our plan of attack is to start basically from the back forward with the roof, and then very last thing will be up there. And Nicholas discovered the microwave sparks, so we'll replace that. That's not a big deal. But I'm real happy with our progress. You know, it's going faster than I thought. And I'll just keep everybody updated. Bye.